Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the gummy bear pet in Grow a Garden. So gummy bear is one of the pets that you can get from the Easter event shop over here. Just scroll down and then you will get you can buy the gummy bear over here. And for the price, maybe it's usually in the thousand of choco coins. I forgot for the plants. So make sure you have been grinding the event to collect enough coins. And once you have bought it, the gummy bear will be added to your pet collections, and you can place it in your garden like this. And now let's talk about its ability. This one. This its gummy bear has a really useful skill. It can occasionally apply the gummy mutations to your plants, and these mutations maybe can make your plant more valuable. So I think it's definitely worth to having. So yeah, that's how you can unlock the gummy bear in Grow a Garden. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.